Hi everyone. If you are a high school student who want to study smart, stay organized, and build a successful future, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Have you ever promised yourself, this week I'm going to study hard, but by Friday, you realize you haven't any finished yet? If that sounds similar, you are not alone. The problem usually isn't that students are lazy. The problem is that they don't have a plan. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a weekly plan that actually works. By the end of this video, you will have a simple system that help you stay organized, reduce stress, and improve your grades. So the first step is to know your priorities. Before you make a schedule, write down everything you need to do this week. Include homework, quizzes, projects, exam, extracurricular activities, family responsibilities, and even personal goals. Once everything is paper, it's much easier to see what needs your attention. The second step is to set realistic goals. Many students make the mistake of planning 6 or 7 hours of study every day. That sounds impressive, but it is difficult to maintain. Instead, aim for smaller achievable goals. For example, study mathematics for 1 hour, review English vocabulary for 30 minutes, or complete one science assignment. Small wins build confidence and help you stay consistent. The third step is to schedule your study time. Look at the school timetable and decide when you are most focused. Some students learn better in the morning, while other students concentrate better after dinner. Choose study times that match your energy levels, but remember to include short break. A good method is to study for 45 to 50 minutes and then take a 10-minute break. Your brain needs time to recharge. The fourth step is to balance difficult and easy subjects. Don't spend your entire evening on one challenging subject. Instead, make subjects together. For example, after you study mathematics, switch to history or English. Changing subjects keep your mind fresh and reduce boredom. The fifth step is to review your progress every weekend. On Saturday or Sunday, spend about 15 minutes asking yourself a few simple questions. What did I finish this week? What didn't I finish? Why? What should I improve next week? These weekly reflections help you become more organized over time. Let me give you an example. Imagine two students preparing for final exam. Student A waits until the weekend before the exams and tries to study everything in 2 days. They feel stressed, sleep less, and forget many important topics. The student B study 1 or 2 subjects every day using a weekly plan. By exam week, most of the work is already finished. Student B feel more confident, sleeps better, and perform better because learning happened gradually instead of all at once. The difference is intelligence. The difference is planning. So here are 3 actions that you can take today. First, write down everything you need to do this week. Second, choose specific time for studying each subject. Third, review your progress every Sunday and adjust your plan for the following week. Remember, success does not come from studying all days. Success comes from studying consistently. Even 1 hour of course on learning every day is more powerful than waiting until the last minute. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and share to your friends who want to improve their study habits. Follow this channel because I will share more tips on time management, exam preparations, goal setting, and planning for success future. Thank you for watching.